Fast, fun weight loss. Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey and have a blast while doing it? Losing weight doesn't have to be grueling. Let's turn up the fun and make shedding pounds an exciting adventure. Dance your way to fitness. Whether it's a Zumba class or a spontaneous living room dance party, moving to your favorite music will burn calories while making you smile. Playful workouts. Think outside the gym. Go for a hike, play frisbee, or join a sports league. You'll torch calories and make friends. Healthy snacks. Don't deprive yourself. Experiment with homemade kale chips, fruit skewers, or yogurt parfaits. Make it colorful. Each bite should be a feast for your eyes. Hydration with a twist. Spice up your water with fruits or herbs. Sip and enjoy while feeling fabulous. Fun goals. Instead of just a number on the scale, challenge yourself to try new recipes, run a 5,000, or master a fun fitness class. Celebrate every victory, big or small. Incorporating these playful elements into your weight loss journey will not only help the pounds melt away, but you'll also discover a joyful, healthier lifestyle. Who said losing weight is serious business? Get moving, get grooving, and watch the magic unfold. We hope you enjoyed the video with us. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing content.